Guys, let me fill you in on why we haven't updated since Santorini. Hold on, let me do my hair because I actually can't engage looking like this. Okay, just know my hair is in the process of being done. So we get into Milos really late, like our ferry. Oh yeah, no, our ferry wasn't delayed. We just booked a ferry that got in like past 12 AM, which was an interesting choice because then you have to navigate getting to your accommodation in the dark. Anyway, we get there and the key's there and our name's there, but we can't get into the door. Like, we're trying everything. This lady isn't on WhatsApp and we can't contact her. We're literally, like, at this point trying to get into other people's apartments because we couldn't get into ours. And then 5 minutes later, this old lady, I'm sure she's lovely, but at almost 1 AM, I think it was past 1 AM at this point, seeing this lady in a nightgown coming down the stairs speaking a different language was slightly terrifying. And she came into the room with us and she was touching Lacey. Kept like touching Lacey. She was grabbing the keys. It was all going on in this room. And she was like, sweet dreams. Ooh. Then this room looks like a jail cell. It is not the room that's in the pictures. It is literally, I'll try and insert a photo, but like literally #jailcore, like. So that was interesting. And then came the fact that to get around Milos, we didn't really consider this, but you kind of need a car or a four-wheeler. So we got to get a four-wheeler and they literally quoted us like 140 AUD for less than 24 hours. And so we were like, no. We've been walking so much that we would rather walk 40 minutes to the beach that we were going to than pay that much. So we didn't really do much in Milos, but we went to some rocks. That was probably the highlight. We went to some rocks. But now we're in Paros. We got in this morning. The walk was, I thought it was 7 minutes, but it actually turned out to be like 20-25 minutes with our suitcases in the boiling hot, which won't be happening again. But we're here now. I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go out to dinner. I think we're gonna try and do like a cute sunset dinner tonight. Guys, Chat Friday. Is it actually? It's actually Friday, isn't it?
It's Saturday.
Oh,
close enough.
Saturday. Tell me how many times I have to wear this outfit before
It expires.
fire fits, guys. Fire fits. Also, guess what time it is? It is 5 PM and this is a very late dinner for us. We're very tired. We're very tired girls.
It's just our lifestyle on holidays. We smash out a lot on the day and then we get tired and go to sleep like grannies. So
we tried going out one night
and then we got told. When did we get told?
Shame on you.
Shame on you because we left the club early.
Yes. So maybe tomorrow night.
Yeah, we'll give it a go. We're in Paros, so we've got to give it a go.
That's the update, guys. See you at dinner. And the girls on the move. Birthday fit. 9 AM. No, it's not.
goes my ears.
Look at our wee little door. Guys, we didn't update. No, I can't engage with that right now. This is free sunbeds and shower.
Where are these sets of this? Oh wait, no, those are just chairs.
Guys, we did not update post boat trip because we came back dehydrated, tired, dizzy, exhausted, and we were like, we'll go out tonight. Couldn't hack it. We went to dinner and it took like 2 hours for anything to come. And then by the time we were like going back, we were like, no, this can't be. But it was really good. There were heaps of Americans, heaps of Canadians. The Americans didn't want to talk to us. What else happened? We snorkeled, swam, went down the slide. It was actually a really good day, but it was a long boat day. And the lunch was really good. Kind of dead right now. Recovery. Yeah. Today we're having a recovery day. We're at the beach. It's a pretty like small beach. Don't know what we'll do tonight. That's the update. Trying to do that.
Remember the first thing? Us after. That's the OG.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Focus, please. We are headed back because we had decided going out is not for us tonight.
We're not party people.
We can't hack it. But we went to another town, like a whole nother town.
But I like our town better.
Yeah, it's cuter. A win is a win. We're going to bed to pack our beds to go to Naxos tomorrow.
We need to sleep. Like, we're not ourselves right now. So
my nose looks like a honker. Honky fucking dory. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. We gotta go to Naxos tomorrow. From Love Island, she goes, eh. Okay, I have been so slack on like verbally updating you on anything. We've just been so all over the place. I think because we got to Greece and we were finally out of cities and we could just like relax and chill. We've just been really taking it in. We tried so hard to force ourselves to go on a night out, guys. We can't. We were so tired last night from the boat. We crashed. I don't think we slept that well because we were both tired all day, even though we did like essentially nothing today. We went to a new town tonight. We went to like Noosa? Don't know. We got the bus, had like the simplest dinner, and we've come back and we're like, we're just gonna pack to go to Naxos tomorrow and go to bed because simply we are so tired. I think also I burnt myself out so hard in Sydney, just like working so much, that now that I'm here, my body is like, let's chill, let's relax. See you in Naxos.